Hey guys, what's good? It's your boy Max, and I hope you guys are well today. It's been a minute since I made a video. I haven't been very consistent on this channel, and in all honesty, what I'd like you guys to do is, before going on with this video, press the like button, hit subscribe, and press the bell notifications, for I will be making more videos on how to get free things on the internet, right? So as you guys know, the PlayStation 5 recently came out. I haven't copped it yet, but I do have a PlayStation 4. I can show you guys the controller right here. And the reason why you click this video is you're wondering, how do I get the PlayStation 5 console for free? Now, I want to tell you guys, this video is not a clickbait video. This method actually works if you do it correctly, right? So basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start screen recording on my phone and directing you to a site called Swagbucks. You know what I'm saying? In fact, yeah, the way it screen records and edits videos on my phone, I don't know if it's really a good idea for me to... Yeah. All right, we'll see how it works anyway. So, yeah, basically, guys, just wait for the next clip and I'm going to show you how to, do everything, right? All right, cool. Peace. All right, guys, how's it going? So this is a site called Swagbucks, okay? So basically, you can see in the top right corner, this is my name, and I have so far 54 Swagbucks, right? And I'm just gonna see how I can earn some Swagbucks today. So let's see what I can do to earn some Swagbucks today. So let me just go on here. So you can do surveys in order to earn Swagbucks, right? From this one, you earn 125 Swagbucks plus 63 Swagbucks. If you look here, and it shows you how the time as well it takes to do these surveys and all of that stuff. And yeah, man, and you can also search the web. So I'm gonna just type in something random called doggy. Don't know why, but yeah, we're gonna search, and then sometimes, often when you search, you earn Swagbucks for searching as well. And it's also other ways to earn. You can download Amazon Prime, the trial, do these surveys and all of that. And then once you've earned a decent amount of Swagbucks, what you can do is redeem your Swagbucks. And basically, as you see here, for £10, you need to make 1,300 Swagbucks. To get £10 on Amazon, you need to get 1,300 Swagbucks. To get £10 on PayPal, you need 1,450 Swagbucks. To get £5 on PayPal, you need 800 Swagbucks. And I've redeemed some stuff off of here before. So basically, let's just say Amazon, for instance, okay? You want to make enough Swagbucks to, get an Amazon gift certificate, right? So what you need to do is you can earn a lot of Swagbucks, basically, and then get enough of these Amazon gift certificates, and then take yourself onto Amazon.co.uk, Amazon.co.uk, and use your account on Amazon, and type in whatever you want to buy. So in this case, we want a PlayStation 5, right? And we can see here that the PlayStation 5, the console is currently unavailable, but we have the controller available for $59.99. And so you can buy the accessories for the PS5 for free using this method and earning enough Swagbucks to get yourself Amazon gift certificates. And if that's not working out for you, as we see there's no PS5 console available, you can instead save up your Swagbucks and get yourself PayPal cards, right? Get yourself this PayPal card, this PayPal certificate, and get this e-gift card, and you basically get enough Swagbucks and turn your Swagbucks into cash, right? And then you can get yourself over to eBay, ebay.co.uk, and then basically type in PS5, right? And then basically make yourself an eBay account, and then through that you can purchase yourself the PlayStation 5 through the amount of money you've made through on your PayPal account, through Swagbucks, which I think is pretty cool, you know, which I think is pretty cool. And truthfully, you can use this method to get anything that you want. You know what I'm saying? I remember back in the day, I used to love, you know, BB guns and all of that stuff. And yeah. And what I did was I used Swagbucks, got gift card from Swagbucks, and then bought myself a BB gun off Amazon, you know? But I was a kid. It's a pretty childish thing. And you can also decide, okay, if you want to get those Swagbucks really quickly, right? In order to get enough of those gift cards, so in order to afford like something big like a PlayStation or a TV, you can use one of these opportunities and basically complete Coin Master to level 10. You know, basically, if you download it through this link and complete it to level 10, you get 1,500 right there. And if you download King of Avalon, and it will give you the terms and conditions right here, and it says top 3 things to know, right? You need to reach level 18 to earn the reward of 5,000 Swagbucks. So I can download these 2 games, right? This one, Coin Master, complete village to level 10, and download King of Avalon. This is only available for Android though. And basically earn 5,000 Swagbucks and earn 1,500 Swagbucks. And then that would mean I would have 6,500 Swagbucks. And with that 6,500 Swagbucks, I can just get a bunch of these PayPal cards or a bunch of these Amazon gift certificates and redeem them and use them to buy whatever I want. You know what I'm saying? And in this case, you guys want the PlayStation 4 for free, right? And you know what, guys? There's many ways to earn on this site. Just explore it for yourself. You can even invite your friends to it and earn. You know what I'm saying? You can invite your friends to it and earn. And if they join, you know, you get 300 Swagbucks. You know what I'm saying? If they earn 300 Swagbucks within the first 30 days, and everything they make on Swagbucks, you get 10% of it. You know what I'm saying? And with that being said, right, it's so easy to make Swagbucks. Like, it is actually so easy. You know, we can do a bunch of web searches like hello and see if that earns anything, or YouTube and see if that earns anything. But yeah, anyway. And speaking of that, if you don't believe this is real, I can take you to YouTube right now, okay? Okay, so we're on YouTube right now, and you can see this guy. This is called Third Swagbucks Unboxing, right? So he basically used Swagbucks to get himself a free games console.
Today is October 1st, 2009.
So let's skip through the video. So he's unboxing.
Game store online.
He's unboxing his GameCube, which he ordered.
Here it is, GameCube.
And I think that's pretty cool. You can get stuff for free. You know what I'm saying? People have got PS3s, PS4s, you know, PSPs and all of that using Swagbucks. You know, and it's just easy, man. And it's for the US and the UK. You know what I'm saying? And you can use this method to, you know, just get stuff for free using Swagbucks. You know what I'm saying? So I thank you guys for watching this video. If there's any help you need, or any more methods. If I find any, I will definitely, like, you know, give them to you. If you guys like. And I just want to thank you so much for watching, and God bless you. You know, don't do any fraudulent activities. Fear God. You know what I'm saying? On this thing. But yeah, man. Yeah, God bless. Have a nice day, folks. And I thank you for watching. Peace.